Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, June 23, 2023 on our channel. Keppel awarded contract to build district cooling system in Jurong Lake District. Scaling up private finance for clean energy in emerging and developing economies. BESA calls for rapid transformation in cooling skills. Planned change of management at papst. Area welcomes the launch of the European Year of Skills 2023. METUS announces the introduction of Hybrid VRF. ACCA wins lawsuit against EPA that impacts contractors' business. BTF and ACCA are committed to promoting HVACR careers. Danfoss releases new white paper on decarbonizing cities. Daikin opened the Daikin Sustainability and Innovation Center in Washington, D.C. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Keppel awarded contract to build district cooling system in Jurong Lake District. Keppel Corporation Limited, Keppel, through its infrastructure division, has been awarded a contract by the Urban Redevelopment Authority, URA, of Singapore to design, build, own and operate a new large-scale district cooling system, DCS, planned for 30 years located in the Jurong Lake District, JLD. The contract is expected to generate about $1 million for Keppel, comprising payments from real estate developers, owners and occupants for the design and building of the DCS, as well as the supply of chilled water and operations and maintenance of the DCS over 30 years. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Scaling up private finance for clean energy in emerging and developing economies. Annual clean energy investments in emerging and developing economies will need to more than triple from $770 billion in 2022 to as much as $2.8 trillion by the early 2030s to meet rising energy needs and align with the climate goals set out in the Paris Agreement. The report, Scaling Up Private Finance for Clean Energy in Emerging and Developing Economies, shows that public investments alone would be insufficient to deliver universal access to energy and tackle climate change. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. BESA calls for rapid transformation in cooling skills. The Building Engineering Services Association, BESA, has urged the industry to mark this year's World Refrigeration Day, WRD, by stepping up its efforts to recruit and train a new generation of air conditioning and refrigeration engineers able to deliver more innovative, future-proof solutions. WRD is celebrated on June 26 each year, and this year's theme is Next Generation Cooling #NextGenCooling, with events all over the world focusing on the need for innovative and sustainable cooling solutions capable of achieving global energy efficiency and net zero goals. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Planned change of management at papst. After almost 4 decades at papst, Thomas Wagner, 63, leaves his role as Deputy CEO and Chief Operating Officer, COO, and retires on August 31, 2023. During his time in office, Thomas Wagner positioned the company internationally and strategically to become the leading manufacturer of fans and drives. For example, he laid the foundations for today's global production network. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Area welcomes the launch of the European Year of Skills 2023. To achieve the EU's decarbonization goals and deployment of clean, low-carbon and efficient heating and cooling technologies, a skilled workforce with the proper training and certification is of utmost importance. All current upskilling and reskilling opportunities require not only additional promotion and funding, but also backing by additional training tools and programs and stakeholder partnerships. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. METUS announces the introduction of Hybrid VRF. Mitsubishi Electric Trane HVAC US LLC, METUS, announces the introduction of Hybrid VRF, a cutting-edge 2-pipe VRF zoning system designed to use water instead of refrigerant in indoor spaces. The Hybrid VRF system exchanges heat between refrigerant and water using Mitsubishi Electric's proprietary Hybrid Branch Circuit Controller, HBC. The HBC enables Hybrid VRF to provide heat recovery for simultaneous heating and cooling while keeping indoor piping refrigerant-free and reducing the system's overall refrigerant charge. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. ACCA wins lawsuit against EPA that impacts contractors' business. The Air Conditioning Contractors of America, ACCA, announces that the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, the court, ruled in favor of a lawsuit to which it is party to by striking down provisions of the Environmental Protection Agency's, EPA, allocation rule that would ban the use of non-refillable cylinders and require QR code tracking of refrigerant cylinders. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. BTF and ACCA are committed to promoting HVACR careers. Building Talent Foundation, BTF, a national nonprofit dedicated to advancing the education, training, and career progression of young people and people from underrepresented groups into residential construction, helping them develop into skilled technical workers and business owners, and Air Conditioning Contractors of America, ACCA, are excited to join forces. Read more the news on our website today. 9th News Today. Danfoss releases new white paper on decarbonizing cities. Implementation of existing technology for buildings, transport, and sector integration can bridge half the gap in the urban GHG emissions reductions needed for a 1.5 degrees Celsius pathway. Cities account for 70% of global carbon emissions. Ultimately, the battle against climate change will be won or lost in cities. Action is needed urgently to make the changes necessary to enable large-scale decarbonization. Read more the news on our website today. 10th News Today. Daikin opened the Daikin Sustainability and Innovation Center in Washington, D.C. Daikin Industries, Limited has recently relocated its Washington, D.C. office and opened the Daikin Sustainability and Innovation Center with the aim of further promoting environmental technologies and accelerating open innovation. Located near the White House, the Daikin Sustainability and Innovation Center demonstrates Daikin's commitment to high-efficiency and sustainability-focused HVAC systems equipped with energy-saving technologies such as inverters and heat pumps, and our transition to the low global warming potential refrigerant R32. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.